Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the remote for Apple TV. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who have an Apple TV. And just for demonstration purposes, I'm on my Samsung TV right now. How do you actually go ahead and set up the remote for your Apple TV? Now, the way to actually do this is that I wanted to do two things with my Apple TV remote. I wanted to be able to turn on and off my TV, and I wanted to be able to control the volume on my Apple TV as well, as shown. Now, the way to do this is that you're first going to go into your settings tab, and then from here, you want to click on remotes and devices. Next, you want to scroll down to where it says home theater control. And this is the really important step, guys. You want to make sure that control TVs and receivers is set to on, because this is going to allow you to turn on and off your TV. Next, for the volume control, you want to make sure that this is set to auto. This is going to allow you to automatically pick the most compatible volume control. So now with these two options, you'll be able to control your volume, and you'll also be able to turn on and off your TV. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and set up the remote for your Apple TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.